Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? Hope you all are fine and safe with the blessings of Allah. Welcome to Pakistan School Muscat e-learning. This is your computer science class and your teacher Miss Nazia Avkas is here. Students, sharing few classroom rules with you. Okay students, so today we are going to start chapter number 6, Formatting in Word 2013. Today we are going to discuss what is MS Word, and then we discuss page number 58 to 61 along with practical work. Today our class objectives are how to work on basic formatting features, understand the ways to view the document, how to work on page and paragraph formatting. Okay students, so first of all we recall what is MS Word. MS Word is an application software developed by the company Microsoft. It allows user to type and save documents. For example, if you want to write any story, any letter, anything, so you will type in MS Word and you can save it. So what is formatting? Formatting text in MS Word refers how text appears in your document. This includes the size, the color and the font. It also covers text alignment, spacing and styles, etc. Okay students, so what is default settings? Settings that are standard or predefined in a software are called default settings, but we can make changes to these default settings, that is called formatting. You learn some basic formatting features of Word 2013 in class 3. In this chapter, let's explore some other formatting features such as page, column and paragraph formatting. You know what is page formatting? Making changes to the settings of a page is called page formatting. The page layout tab of Word 2013 is used for page formatting. Okay students, so let's talk about page formatting. But first of all, we get to know what is formatting means. Formatting means changing and arranging text in a document to make it attractive, to make the text attractive. This can be done by changing the font, the size of the font style, adjusting line spacing, margins, tab setting, text alignment, list creations, and the likes. Let's talk about two types of formatting styles. So there are two types of formatting styles that applied in MS Word. So number one, what is number one? Number one is character formatting. What is number one? Number one is character formatting. Character formats are applicable to only the selected text. These can be applied by using the font group. All of you please learn the name of the group. What is the name of the group? Font group. Okay, so let's talk about Number 2. What is number 2? Paragraph formats. So let's talk about paragraph formatting. What is paragraph formatting? In paragraph format, automatically applicable to the entire paragraph by using the paragraph group. So for the paragraph formatting, we have to go to paragraph group. So these two type of formatting style is clear? Okay. So now we talk about character formatting. Actually, what is character formatting? Character formatting includes font typefaces, font size, effects. In effects, how many things? Three things: bold, italics, underline. Okay, then colors and more. Okay, so now we just want to see these effects in Home tab. So using the font group on the Home tab, to use any of the character formatting options available, the text has to be selected first and only then can any changes can be applied. Without selecting the text, you cannot change anything. So first of all, we talk about from the font group, number 1 is, what is number 1? Font typeface. The next, font size. Now bold, italic and underline. Strike through, subscript, superscript and clear formatting. Okay, now font highlighting. If you want to highlight any sentence, any word, any letter, so we have to use this font highlighting. Okay. If you want to change the color of the text, color of paragraph, want to change the color red, black, yellow. So we have to go to this option from the font color. We can change the color. If we want to change case, so we have to go to this option for the change case and grow shrink font. If you want to bring the big writing or small writing, so we have to select this. Hope it is clear to all of you. So using the font group on the home tab, you have to practice, otherwise you cannot understand. Clear? Thanks to all of you students and Allah Hafiz.